We think improving corporate results is what's driving it. Above all, as well, we think the momentum that has seen the bonds gain 33% about this year to date, and in the past 1 month that has seen it gain close to 20%, is still what's driving the market. We would expect that profit taking plus fears of a pullback should set in at some point this week. Fenly?
All right, let's take a look at Presco's results that have come out. Presco is an agro-industrial company, and we're seeing various companies saying that the flat projection performance in revenue is due to the lower crop yield. Would you agree with that? Is that the reason why the sentiments were so low on Presco?
Yes, we think so. We agree with what majority of analysts say with respect to Presco. Their results were largely in line with analysts' expectations. A turnover at 4 billion, while profits dipped a significant 65% down to about 444 million. These results were largely in line with analysts' expectations, and it's been attributed, and we agree with that view, that is as a result of lower crop yields due to poor weather conditions in 2009. We think going forward, we should see an improvement in the company's results, and we think we will see a recovery in the bottom line. Fenly.
We've never really discussed Presco in the past on Regional Roundup. Take us through what are some of the trends that were like on Presco prior to these results coming out?
We think generally what we're seeing is an improvement in corporate profits. This has been largely anticipated by us and a couple of other analysts out there. And we think we will continue to see that. What we saw a lot in 2009 was a lot of corporate cost cutting coming into bear, where the general fear was that the sky was falling. Oil price, nobody knew where the bottom was. At this point, what we're seeing is a revival in oil price, which happened last year. And as a result, a lot of companies are willing to expand, they're willing to take bigger risk. That has paid off largely in corporate profits. Add to that the fact that what we had last year, plus this year, was a return to buoyancy in terms of fiscal status for the country and general buoyancy in the system. We think a lot of that is paying off now, and we may continue to see trends of improving corporate results. Indeed, a lot of banks are still scheduled to see their result. We think that may be a pointer to the general corporate horizon. Fenly?
Well, many analysts are saying that its valuation and recommendation is as a buy. Would you agree with it? Is it a buy stock or a hold?
Presco, I would say, is a buy stock, but I wouldn't be looking right now. I think it's just circa 7 naira, close to 7 naira. I wouldn't see it as a buy at anything beyond 8 naira. So right now I would say yes, but anything above 8 naira, I would hold.
And just before we go, give us a market outlook for this week.
We think the market will be characterized with some profit taking. Overall, we expect a flat week with a slight bias towards the positive.